Then, yun nga, stay who you are. And just continue what are you doing right now na nakipag-share ka sa ibang tao, tumutulong ka sa ibang tao, gaya ko tinutulungan mo ako, and I hope sa iba pang tao, kahit hindi na sila nagpaparamdam, and just continue, and yun nga lang, kasi sabi ng Diyos is, kung sino yung mapagbibigay ay bibigyan ko din siya, kaya sa sa sayings ko na whatever you give bounces back to you. Lang talaga yung ko paulit-ulit na sinasabi na whatever you give bounces back to you. Kung ano yung binibigay ay kusang babalik din yan sa'yo at doble-doble pa yung magbabalik sa'yo. And then yan nga, ulit happy kung birthday, kung hindi ko nagkakamali is 34, you are now 34, and I hope you enjoy because I hope may true love ka na kasi lagpas kalendar na lagpas kalendar na, and yun nga, thank you for the friendship in YouTube, and happy birthday and God bless, and I pray that you have a good health. I don't have a wish, wala akong wish sa'yo, kundi lang, I pray na lang, I pray kasi much better yung prayer kaysa wish. So, I pray for you. I pray for you na magka-jowa. And, yun nga, Sir Warren, thank you so much. And I hope you are happy, not now, but tomorrow, and tomorrow, and tomorrow, and tomorrow. Then, yun nga, thank you so much. Love you. Andito ko sa Ilu. Thank you so much, and God bless.